In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and hit Privacy section. Now you can select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features to manage it, like camera. Then select one of your apps and click on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my Google Wallet app just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage instead. Now scroll all the way down and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!